Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Instagram app because that's where contact sync is controlled. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu at top right, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, go into the Account Center section. This central control manages cross-account features like contact syncing. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. If you plan to also revoke phone-level access, have your device settings app open next so you can finish both steps without interrupting the flow. Now that you're in Account Center, look for contact syncing or a data permissions area labeled Connect Contacts. Tap that option and you'll see a toggle to stop syncing. Switch it off. Instagram may prompt you to confirm an offer to delete contacts previously uploaded. Choose Delete if you don't want Instagram to keep that data. Once done, make sure the toggle remains off. This stops future uploads. It also prevents cross-account contact suggestions that happen when contacts remain saved on Instagram servers. After disabling sync in Instagram, go to your device settings, open Apps, select Instagram, then Permissions, and revoke contacts permission so the app cannot re-upload. If Instagram still suggests people from your address book, return to Instagram's data or contact settings and choose Remove Saved Contacts to purge previously uploaded entries. If syncing persists, try logging out and back in, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the app. Those steps refresh permissions and often resolve stubborn sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.